extra title and the money and everything. So, but she is right now number one there because the ambassador could not come. Many of us have met the ambassador, a very passionate person and who supported Delhi Wine Club over the years, and we've supported Chilean wines over the years also. So next time when he's there, he's going to come and she's also going to come to our event. Thank you. I have been promoting wine now for 20, 30 years. I don't even remember when. But when I go to the US, I have been telling my Indian friends there to start drinking wine. So they said, okay, what should we drink? Because they said those funny French names they don't understand. The Italian names they don't understand, Spanish names they don't understand. So, and it's a fact that they said that, okay, we are very happy with Merlot for red wine and Chardonnay for white wine. So think of yourselves as non-resident Indians living in America and today drinking Chardonnay as well as Merlot. But if you are in India, from India, you cannot do without Sauvignon Blanc, which is a staple wine, white wine from India, and generally very good from everywhere else. And this particular wine from Emiliana is an excellent wine. The reason I will tell you also why we chose this, three reasons. Number one was that Hema, he's here, Amit is here, good friend from many years, very good professional, and I've been tasting this wine many times, many years. And the thing about this wine is that it's made from organic grapes. Now I'm not going to talk, I'm going to have our house sommelier, Kriti, talk about the wine as well as organic concept. But I want India, for us, Delhi Wine Club, forget about India, I want us to take a lead in recognizing, appreciating organic wine, organic farming, biodynamic wines, because they are definitely healthier for us. You know, we all talk of buying fruit and vegetables which are organic, where they're grown, no fertilizers, this and that. But in wine, we don't think about it because people who are, I would say, either importers or Indian producers, they do not promote very much because they're more expensive to make to start with. And certification is even more important. And if the year gets bad, it is much worse. In fact, some of you came for that Burgundy tasting at this hotel itself. The guy said, and I knew that they were heading for biodynamic certification. 2011 they were supposed to get it, but the year was so bad that if they were biodynamic, they would have been wiped out. So there are certain limitations in that which Kriti can probably tell you, or I'll request her to stick to organic grapes. So you can learn a bit, and so next time, wherever you go in the world, you should be slightly knowledgeable about the fact and definitely feel appreciative about the fact that we need to have organic wine in the country. Now, third main reason, and that's why the date 7th was chosen, also was that the export manager of Emiliana was going to come to India just for 2 days, and so we had no option between the dates, and in fact almost there was a clash because 5th we had a dinner. And I should tell you, let me welcome our friend Anil. He's from London. I don't know, you have not met him yet. He just came yesterday because he's going to come earlier, but he came yesterday because the program will come yesterday, and I told Anil Hotel with Charles is from there, and I said no, we can't have 2 days back to back. Sorry, we have to on 5th, so we missed him. But we are planning an excellent event in September with Bordeaux wines in the grill room. And he has promised me that he will be here for that event. He knows, he's with the producers, he's a friend, works with them, so he knows a lot about those wines, and he is an expert and lover of French wines. So I think he'll have to probably go without wine today, I don't know. But it's an excellent wine, try. Chilean wine is very, very good. I'll tell you one thing, the only country after France where you talk of terroir, I've really seen it, is in Chile. The kind of terroir they have because of the mountains and the microclimate and because of the valleys, it's amazing. You know, Chile has a khazana, a treasure of these excellent wines. And luckily they have been reasonable in pricing. The moment they keep on increasing prices, the sales will keep on coming down, as we all know that. So before I go further. I mean, I did talk about the visa problem, and so he could not come. I'm sorry, but we are all here. And may I request Ms. Perez to say a few words?
Well, I will speak from here because it seems that it's more...
I know you don't like me, I know that.
Yes. Good evening, everyone. Thank you very much for being here tonight. I am the Charge d'Affaires of the Embassy of Chile because the ambassador is in Chile. And he's enjoying wonderful vacations in my country. And I am very happy to be here tonight because we have the opportunity to taste tonight a very interesting wine that is an organic one. What does it mean? This is mainly the one vineyard in Chile who has only biodynamic agriculture. Biodynamic agriculture means that you are coordinating many elements to get the grapes that we are going to taste tonight. And they don't use any kind of chemicals in these grapes. And then they are very pure. And they are very safe for our health. And then you can be completely secure that nothing will happen when you drink these wines. And tonight we have two different white wines, Chardonnay, different years, and we have one signature wine. The name is Adobe. Adobe means a kind of material that we use to build houses in Chile that is completely natural also, like the wines that we are going to taste tonight. And this is the first time that we are introducing Emiliana to the Indian market. And we hope that we are going to have the opportunity to introduce many more. And I thank you very much to all of you for joining us tonight. Thank you. And